So this video is going to be about Traffic Junky rules and regulations and what you can promote on their platform and get more information about how you can crush it on the platform. This is in just 6 days, $18,762, and I'm making this video instantly, pretty much right after I just made a video about Traffic Junky, crack revenue method. And then after creating this video, I'm going to make a smart link video about how to crush it with smart links. Okay, so let's go over here and show you Traffic Junky rules and regulations here. So, you can have colors, thumbnail sizes, all this stuff, different layouts, blah blah blah. You need to make sure, guys, that you have a button or a link text. You need to have a headline text and then images you can test in between. And you can mess around with colors and images and the font and everything. You just got to have those few elements. You can't have logos that are not your own logos, though. So if you put Tesla's logo, you can't do that. If you put Google's logo, you can't do that. Or Facebook. Or even Disney. Some people even use Disney's logo. Okay, so online cannabis advertisements. So what it says right here, it's based off your country and your state-specific laws, but you can do it, but you have to target specific states, okay? Now, Google Chrome, you don't want to do any of this stuff. You can pause to read about that stuff, but some people can do malicious stuff regarding this, okay? Now, online gambling sites, they're usually not strict with, but sometimes they can be with certain offers, so you have to kind of look at it. But as a rule of thumb, if the offer is very popular, very good offer that people enjoy, and it's not like scamming or anything like that, then you're good to promote the offer. Site performance campaigns, okay. Young models, you don't want to have any underage people in your ads at all. Let's see, add no child. I don't want to say any of these words because it can mess up the YouTube promotion stuff. And then regarding pharmaceuticals, that can be pretty freaking strict. Okay, so be careful with that. Cartoon ads are, let's see, this kind of stuff is strictly prohibited. You can't have Disney characters and stuff like that for your cartoon ads. Okay, you don't want to have Facebook as their logo, saying that you're run by Facebook or something. That's a no-no. Okay, now substances. Let's see. Definitely don't want to promote any drugs or anything like that or alcohol. Regarding firearms, you can't do that. You can't do any of these specific things. I mean, if you feel like in your gut that your ad is bad, it probably is a bad ad doing one of these things, okay? So don't do these things. Pop unders. See, this is how people can abuse pop unders, okay? Sometimes sweepstakes offers are actually not allowed with pop unders and not even allowed with adult traffic. Sometimes if the offer is just like super spammy or something, it comes across that way. But most offers are allowed with sweepstakes. Okay. Desktop, these are the different types of placements. Here's how you can basically do it. And you guys can find this article over on Traffic Junky Rules and Regulations. It's very easy to find this article. And these are all the different sites they basically allow you to run traffic on, by the way. Tube8, RedTube, etc. Okay. Now, mobile traffic, blah, 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 blah. Let me see if I can find anything else you need to know. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Just wanted to clear the air about some rules and regulations for you guys so you know more about it. If you want any more information, check out links in the description and watch more videos on the channel. Peace out.